Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Mnigeni Ndungwa.
Mfana kithi
Kanjani baba wami?
Hayi sikhona ngisazofuna igama lakhe akekho umzali wayengazali ingane ethu Sithibo. Cishe uThabo wena.
Yeah, uThabo.
Yeah.
uThabo. That's the name.
Webhuti.
Lelo liku 8.
Okay. Yimi umuntu ogceka iChiefs. Uma ngabe ingenzi kahle. Beze nabo bengikopele nabo bethatha ama note kulezi zinto engisho. Into eyenza lokho ukuthi mangibuka igame ngithatha ama note yabona. Yeah. Ngiyajabula mangabe ngibona ngiyajabula
beyincane ngoba kumele ubhale.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi umdusha balala. No Vilakazi no Duba abasadlala ibhola elinzima sebedlala ibhola elilula sebe direct sebedlala beqonde straight la kufanele ukuthi beye khona abasayenzi lento yabo yokudansa bemosha isikhathi manje ngaleyo ndlela leyo abafana ngiyabahalalisela ngithi abaqhubeke benze kangcono ngoba lento abayenza ibaleke kakhulu bengibagxeka yime ngabagxeka nabanye bazobabona ngathi ngeke beze bekhule kodwa abakafiki baseku 40%. Kuningi abakuphethe. Ngoba ngangisho ukuthi banethuba lokuthi bengafika ezingeni lika Frank Makuwa, Thabo Muki, Thabangilibisi. Bengafika lapho kodwa ke sebeyaya manje ngoba sebeyekile ukudlala ibhola elinzile sebeya straight phambili umdusha balala wenze kahle kakhulu ngegoli lokuqala kodwa khona into encane kufuneka ayilungise ngibone engathi uthande engathi uyakhuluphala yabona angazi akaze kodwa ngibone engathi zafuneka ethi kuyotrimma kancane ukuze ezoba naleso speed angizwanga mfowethu akuyona amabhiya ilokhuzana nje usho uyabona mawunethezekile team ewina iChiefs vele siwina ama game awu4 elandelana ukuwina kweChiefs kukhuphula upetrol
Ngiyakuthola baba wami
ngoba iChiefs upetrol ububiza kahle iChiefs mayiqala iwina angithi sekune demand yokuya stadium manje yikho upetrol usukhuphukile abantu bathi Trump banamanga
but
iChiefs ngiyabona abalandeli beChiefs abahlele ekhaya Nkosi yami ngiyabakhalela bayaphuthelwa izinto eziningi osala ukuthi wena ubamba ukuthi bathi bazokubopha ayikho leyo nto babenzela nje ukuthi ningamoshi stadium ngaleso sikhathi abalandeli beChiefs abaya stadium kodwa namhlanje bekungcono kakhulu mfowethu iChiefs uma iphila ibhola liyaphila kudala ngikusho lokho uMabuwe uyileader lapha esiswini umholi esiswini But Kaizer Chiefs players are not using him, not the coaches. The Kaizer Chiefs players, you saw during the first half, when he started having more of the ball, Chiefs started playing. But it took late. I think they took about 17 minutes before they realized that they have Mabuwe, who can lead them on the pitch. So they must use him more. His teammates, not the coaches. The coaches put him in the field because they know he can lead the team. But it's up to the teammates to give him more of the ball. Yes, then they will see the difference. Chiefs doesn't have an outlet.
What's an outlet?
Outlet, you drink water. Where does that water end? You release whatever you don't need. So when Chiefs is under pressure, like the corner kick or the place kick, they go back nicely. But they should be using shorter players like Dusha Balala Mfundo Vilakazi, who is this Duba, to put them one on the right or on the left and then one on the center with the defender, there, to mark the defender and also work as an outlet that when they release the ball, they have a look at Richards Bay. They knew how to get out, but Chiefs doesn't have a way to get out of so they need to improve on that. I'm the only fan who comes to the stadium and then write notes, and you will not understand that. I don't want to miss some things. Lilebo, I think his profession, I think he was a teacher and he was teaching maths and science. You remember the helicopter goal that he scored that I said it was the goal of the season?
Yes.
Look today, I was expecting him when he went past the goalkeeper to take 2 or 3 more steps.
Yes.
But he just rolled the ball into the net.
Simple.
What else do you want?
Nothing.
Silver, simple goal with the head. Because you don't need to, all the goals is count 1, 1, 1.
Yeah.
There is no goal that you can count 2 or 3.
What?
No. It's a nice goal, yes.
Yes.
So if you are a young defender,
Yes.
like yourself,
Yes.
playing on the side, you are playing the left back or the right back,
Yes, Baba.
and your friends tell you that you won't make it because you don't have speed.
Okay.
Just sit down and watch Kaizer Chiefs play. Watch their left back, Bradley Cross. That guy is a master of basic football.
That's it.
He just traps the ball past it. When he needs to tackle, he tackles. When he needs to head the ball, when he needs to pass the line, he just passes the ball on the line because the line is playing.
Yeah.
So if you are under pressure, you just pass the ball to the line and then we regroup, we come back, we defend.
Yes, Baba.
So what else do you want?
Don't need everything.
So Kaizer Chiefs, they played very well. They are doing very well. They have 12 points out of 12, which is a great improvement.
Yes.
They must just keep going. Like I told you, I support Pirates, but I support football.
Yeah.
Because Kaizer Chiefs is playing football, and we know Kaizer Chiefs, we need them to improve.
Yeah.
As soon as they scored their second goal, the price of the maize meal went down. That is Kaizer Chiefs that we want. And the price of Kapa went up.
Yeah.
That is the Kaizer Chiefs that we know.
Varke, man.
So, other than that, I still love you guys. But
I'm not
really,
sure.
I'm not sure. Yeah.